Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to learn how to make a very simple glowing text effect that you can use in your videos. And the best part is that you can save it as a preset. Begin by selecting the text tool and add some text. And adjust the position and size from the Essential Graphics tab. And make sure that the fill is set to white, right here. Now on the effects panel, search for the drop shadow effect and drag it onto our text. Now, on the drop shadow, set the color to white and the softness to 10. Now, we will duplicate this by pressing Ctrl C and V, and now we're going to set the softness to 50. Do that again for 100. Now for 200, 400, and last for 1000. Now search for the tint effect, drop that right here on top of our text again, and as you can see, if we change the color, let's say to red, our text will be red. Now if we want to save it as a preset, we will scroll all the way down, select the first one, scroll all the way up by pressing Shift, press also the tint one, right click and save preset. And let's name that glow text effect, right? Now if we delete that and we add a text, and we drag the glow text effect right here, it's done. Thank you for watching.